Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 71. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Yu hugging Chitang tightly. Everyone in the class is looking at them. Everyone seems to be curious. Why suddenly Yu hug Chitang in front of the class? Well, this is the first time they see this. Right now, Chitang, as president, is welcoming her. And also the other friends. You are finally willing to show off. Everyone seems to be excited. Everyone is really missing her. Also, Miss Ke. Okay, alright class. Please go back to their seats. And the class is not end yet. Well, Teacher Ke, right now, she was smiling. Probably she knows that Chitang really escaped from the house. Third year of the high school determines your future. For yourself, for the people you care about, everyone have to work hard. Chitang came to the office with me after class. Teacher Ke is asking Chitang. Right now, everyone in the class seems to be suspicious. Did you know why the teacher Ke called Chitang? Chitang, her father eliminates her stepmother. It's so pitiful, no wonder she looks a lot thinner. Seems that everyone in the class knows what happened to them. Right now, the classmate, they've been silenced when Chitang came in. Well, probably they don't want Chitang to feel so sad that they know about this. But right now, why stare at me? Chitang is asking Yu, are you tired? If you're tired, I asked teacher for a leave. And you can go back to the bedroom to take rest. I set the bed. The class president said she helped you make a bed together yesterday and then clean the bedroom, and we thought that you would come back yesterday. Right now, she's informing Chitang on what happened yesterday. But right now, looking at it, Chitang said to them, thanks. Chitang suddenly said to Yu, I haven't replied to your message, sorry. Well, right now, she looks really apologetic. Well, of course, the girls knows this, and they really can understand her. Everyone put away the textbook and start the school test. Right now, forgive me, Chitang said to her. But right now, of course, this thing is nothing to her. She's always forgiven. I've been away for 2 months and I didn't review any subject knowledge at all. That's why Chitang, she's having difficulty to answer the questions. Probably, there's nothing she can think of this moment. Right now, looking at she looks really full of confidence. Chitang's mind, looking at Yu's appearance, this is the time. It is first time again. Before, she was always staring at her also. But right now, suddenly, Yu wants her to copy the answer. But looking at it, would she be tempted to copy the questions? Well, looking at Chitang, since Yu knows that she's having difficulty, well, this is to give up my own principle and copy the test papers for me. She knows that Yu is a straight person, so it was really surprising that she's allowed to copy her test. But right now, looking at it, Teacher Kyo was looking at her. Of course, she cannot copy the answer. Well, this is too hard for her. Probably she won't get any correct answer at this time. Chitang said to her, help me press my test paper on the bottom. Don't put it on the top. It's too embarrassing. I'll help Mr. Ke change the test papers. I will change them for you. Oh, is this really Yu helping Chitang? Well, we have known each other for 2 years and self-as academic community has a lower bottom line. But right now, looking at it, she was really helping her. Chitang accepts punishment quickly. The president said to her, of course, before, been suffered for 2 months worrying about her. Now, it's time for them to punish her. Since she won't answer any text. What are you doing in the summer vacation? That's right, it's too much. That's why I don't send you a message. It said that you ignore us when you play games together in the summer vacation and we must teach you lessons. Yu suddenly appeared. Ha ha ha, I was wrong, it's so itchy. Yu said to them, okay, stop teasing her. My bed is going to collapse. Well, Yu suddenly worried about Chitang. Of course, the president and the others got some idea right now. Look at them. They have really an idea. These the two of them. Vanish Shitang. Well, they're really tricky. You, don't protect her. President said to her. Also, Chitang said to them, Fairies, I admit my mistake. Well, right now, Chitang, she really wants to surrender because she knows that this girl, they really won't stop teasing her so much, especially about her. Everyone is celebrating her comeback. A little celebration to welcome her back. Also, her fast birthday. Well, they really miss this. Simple celebration, everyone is laughing. Chitang right now. Looking at her, she is smiling and also full of happiness. Today is like a normal day before, but they're all gathering up. Well, it's really good that you have a good friends surrounds you and it really make her happy. The worries before seems unnecessarily only here in front of them did they feel that nothing had changed. So right now, the four of them are really having fun, especially in normal days they're always sticking up together. Chitang, you're two vegetarians so I'll give you this chicken leg. Chitang said to her, no thanks. Right now, looking at Chitang, she was eating in silence. Well, we can see that there's a lot of vegetable but no meat. Looking at this right now, Yu, she is watching her eating. Probably Yu see a different things that happen to her, especially right now. A little bit change for Chitang. But of course, Yu, she can really notice a small things happening to her. She is always watching her. Although Chitang was the same after she came back, left a deep mark on her. Chitang said to her, let's go back to the classroom quickly. Didn't the teacher ask you to copy questions on the blackboard? Oh, it turns out she really want to go back after eating. So the two of them right now, holding each other's hands. Maybe time will slowly fill off the mark. Well, Yu is right and she was always there to guide her. Especially right now, she's been always together. Walking together on a hallway and holding her hands together. Well, a simple things like this. Of course, it really calms Chitang. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!